GoodX is an incredibly rich platform. By that I mean there's a huge amount of applications that you can utilize on the system. And it's imperative to be able to, one, be trained on that, to understand what the applications are for, but they make it easy for you as well because there are online training programs that you can do. So integrating it into the practice has been fantastic. We've built some software with the help of the engineers to fine-tune it for a refractive practice, and that's what I think is really great about GoodX, is that it's just not one size fits all. They will be there to customize the software system for your practice depending on your needs. It's not just here's the sales service and a bit of training and then you're on your own. It's about saying how can we improve our software platform to improve your experience as the user, and that has been a crucial connection.